In this tutorial, we will learn to create an opacity mask. For instance, what purpose does this serve? If, for example, this person were wearing white clothing, or if there is excessive light in the video. Along with decreasing light via color, we can apply an opacity mask to make sure that the captions are more visible. To achieve this, we will do the following steps. We press the clip to which we want to apply the effect. We notice that we are in the effects controls, correct? Then we go to the opacity section and we click on create a 4-point polygon mask here. Great, I will place it now at the lower part of the frame, and we will hit invert because we want the bottom to be dark while the top remains illuminated, correct? For example, I can adjust these points sideways, generally forming a sort of trapezium, right? Or something similar. I'll stretch it a bit longer down here. Okay. For the moment, I'm happy with this shape, but it must have a kind of gradient, right? A fade. So I begin to move this pattern referred to as this parameter, depth of mask depth. Then I can adjust it a bit, and I think that's fine. I can take the mask and lower it, right? I take it here at the center. With this, I can also choose how much the mask expands, how big I want it. In this case, I won't change this parameter because it darkens the image, right? That's not what we want. It should stay at that point. Now, I need this to be the same as in all my shorts clips. So I set the opacity. I either copy it or press Ctrl+C. I select. Ctrl+B. So now anywhere I go, I will have this effect applied of the mask's opacity. You can tweak it as you like.